If ever a case called for the death penalty, this could be it, which makes arguments against the death penalty that much harder. Herman Lindsay's opposition is as personal as it gets.
The judge say, "We the people of the state of Florida hereby sentence you to die by lethal injection." I was numb. I couldn't say anything over it. I was just numb.
On the long van ride to Florida State Prison in 2007,
I definitely felt like I was going to end up like a lot of people on death row with the long, lengthy appeals and then be executed.
but he was never executed for the 1994 murder of a Broward pawn shop employee. That's because the Florida Supreme Court unanimously ruled in 2009 he never should have been convicted of it.
I was still trying to concern of how this happened to me, you know, and I'm finna die for something I didn't do.
Now 48 and married, Lindsay is an activist against the death penalty. But former Broward prosecutor Greg Rossman takes issue with calling Lindsay innocent.
Well, he's innocent until proven guilty. He was proven guilty unanimously by a jury.
Rossman says the state Supreme Court was wrong.
Not only was he not worthy of death, he should have been tossed on judgment of acquittal at the end of the state's case, is what they were saying.
Yes, is what they're saying, which gives no respect also to an esteemed trial judge that tries the case and is hearing everything and says, wait a minute, no, this does pass the test.
Is Herman Lindsay innocent?
Yes.
That's not what a former prosecutor up there says.
Well, I mean, that is...
Rossman's position stunned Hannah Gorman, director of the Balanced Justice Project at FIU's College of Law, which helps death penalty defendants and their legal teams.
Humans are humans. We don't like to be wrong, and it's hard for us to admit mistakes. But the best of us do, and there is integrity in that.
And Florida makes mistakes.
I didn't do it. I don't kill nobody.
Just ask Clemente Javier Aguirre. He spent 10 years on death row, convicted in Seminole County, until exonerated by DNA. The state spends on average $900,000 a month on private counsel and experts defending death cases that present conflicts to state salaried lawyers. Among the dozen most expensive resolved cases, only one received a death sentence. That would be the absolutely innocent Clemente Javier Aguirre.
Justice right there!
For that and other reasons, Lindsay's position is clear. Do you think the death penalty is appropriate in any circumstance?
No.
Even for the most horrendous of killers, he argues, like the one a Broward jury will be soon judging in a murder case like no other.
If not this case, what case deserves the death penalty?
I sympathize to all the family, but to that I would just say the family don't understand that's not going to bring them closure to see that young man executed.